Ready? Filming?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna change a flat. I'm gonna put this plug. I threaded this plug replacement in this handle. I'm gonna pull the old nail out. Come see this nail right here. See this nail I'm pulling out right here? And I put air in the tire so I can get it out. And I'll know where the hole is. I can ream it out and plug it up. Sometimes it's hard getting these nails out of this. Oh, that's a big one. Look at that. And you take this plug, you ream it out with this first. Kind of sand it up and get it smooth enough where you can get it in. Rough up those wires in there. And you take the plug part. You're not even filming this, are you? Stick it in here like this. And then you yank it out, and the plug is in there.